in this section, we are going to show you, we are going to discuss the cyber threat landscape. Now, what exactly this cyber threat landscape? So it actually encompasses the all the potential, you can say threats in the digital world. I can say, for example, these malware, phishing, SQL injection, DOS and DDoS attack, social engineering. Now, what exactly all these are all these are. So this is nothing but a threat, right? So it might be a ransomware. Now, what is ransomware? It might be man in the middle attack. What is man in the middle attack? So let's talk one by one. So ransomware is nothing but it actually encrypt all your data in a different format with the help of some encryptions. And that encrypt without that encryption key, you cannot, uh, you know, uh, decrypt your file. Man in the middle attack, what is happening when sender A is sending something to B, but in the middle there is some person who is actually intercepting that, who is getting that what exactly in this trafficking, whether there is some password, whether there is some sensitive information. So he can intercept it, he can modify it. So this is what we call man in the middle attack. 0 day is nothing but the vulnerability which is didn't detected by any you can say any tool. It exists but it was not already known. So that is what 0 day attack. DNS tunneling, cryptojacking is related to something related to cryptocurrencies where the attacker actually uses your computer processing, right? DNS tunneling is nothing but it's a very advanced attack. So it's related to DNS where the yeah. So all these concept I believe you guys are freshers, so you might be confusing in all these terms, right? But one by one, when you will learn about this, you will get to know. Similarly, XSS attacks. So it's cross-site scripting, social engineering in which they try to fall the victims. You can say human as a victim. There is DOS and DDoS attacks, SQL injection, phishing, malware. All these kind of are the some some cyber attacks and very very dangerous attacks actually I can say. Now, see, cyber threat landscape here, what we were discussing about the cyber threat landscape and covers all the potential dangers in the digital world. It includes various threats. We have discussed the various threats, phishing, hacking, malwares. Understanding threat landscape is crucial because we should be knowing about this, why, what exactly these are things are, and how we can protect from those threats. Cyber threats continue to evolve, become more sophisticated. Hackers and criminal constantly search for vulnerabilities to exploit. Similarly, we need awareness. Government agencies are using cybersecurity professionals. Cybersecurity measures should adapt the changing threat landscapes, keeping up to date with the latest threats and vulnerabilities. This is what actually I was talking about from the starting of the videos, that we need to keep update ourselves in the field of cyber security. So that's what about the whole the cyber threat landscape, which includes a lot of things. You already know about in the previous slides that ransomware. So you can read about all these terms. All these terms you need to read about, right? All these terms. Yeah.